In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at jumbo loan options for homebuyers in the Fort Myers and Cape Coral area. Any homebuyers that have questions, of course, can call us 7 days a week or visit us at jumbomortgagesource.com. Okay, so we're going to look first at the jumbo loan limits and the loan to value limits as far as the program goes. First, though, we want to establish exactly what is a jumbo loan. In Lee County, the current conforming or conventional loan limit is set at $726,200. Again, this is for most of Florida, Lee County included. This loan limit is subject to change year by year, and will likely probably go up in 2024 slightly. So it's a good idea to always refer to our website for the latest change. So basically, any loan amount that exceeds this amount, conforming loan limit, would be classified as a jumbo loan. In most cases, since the current medium home sales price in the area is around $400,000, in most scenarios, a regular conventional loan will work for most home buyers. However, if you are looking to purchase a home, of course, on the water or just a more luxury property, those oftentimes can cost double or more. So that's when jumbo loans come into play. There is financing options available for qualified buyers up to 95%, and the loan limits are determined based on the down payment. So for the 95% financing, the loan limit is currently at 1.5 million. And then for 90%, it goes up to 2 to 2.5 million, depending on some factors. And then for home buyers that have a greater 20% down payment, there's options that are up to $3 million. Again, this is subject to change, just like everything really in the mortgage industry. It's always changing as far as these loan limits go and loan to value limits. So always refer back to the website for the latest updates. Okay, and again, there are even higher loan options, loan amounts that are available for those home buyers that have greater than a 20% down payment. Okay, so we're just going to break down real quick some of the most popular options. Of course, is the 95% financing and the 90% financing. Again, loan limits are around 1.5 currently in Lee County. Credit scores, over a 680 credit score is generally required for the 95% financing. Of course, the credit score alone does not guarantee loan approval, as there are other requirements in place for any home buyer that may have had a financial hardship in the last 3-4 years. Documentation requirements. It's a fully documented loan, just like any conventional or conforming loan. It's going to require complete income and asset documentations. This includes previous 2 years of tax returns, W-2s, and then any assets need to be documented. Only the assets that are needed to meet the down payment requirements, along with any reserve requirements that are in play with the program, which is common with higher loan amounts. The property types include, of course, all normal single-family homes, townhomes, and most condominiums. The transaction types include purchase and rate and term refinance only. Cash out refinances are not permitted up to 95% financing at this time. And the available terms are, of course, all the common adjustable rate mortgages and fixed rate options, 30-year, 15-year. All the common terms are available, and they're all fully amortized with principal and interest. Combo loan options are very popular depending on the final loan amount, but this is a great way for home buyers to avoid paying monthly mortgage insurance, or PMI. And it's also a way for home buyers to take advantage of lower interest rates on their primary first mortgage. A lot of times home buyers will try to keep their primary first mortgage maybe up to the conforming loan limit and then have a second piggyback mortgage to cover the difference. So there are some advantages to doing that. And of course, we look at both options as far as the combo loan and a single loan option as well and compare the two. Okay, and for the 90% financing, everything's pretty much the same here, just a few differences. The loan amount limits are increased up to 2 million, in some cases 2.5. Buyers' credit scores, that is going to depend on the loan amount requested. For buyers that may have 10% down, but maybe they want only $1 million loan amount, in those cases, lower credit scores around 660 can be accepted. Higher credit scores would be needed though for any loans that exceed 1.5. Documentation requirements, much the same, complete income and asset documentation. However, for self-employed home buyers that have 10% down, they do have special bank statement deposit programs that are available. This is good for self-employed buyers because as many self-employed buyers know, the qualifying income that is used on a 2-year average of tax returns, oftentimes that number and what their actual deposits are there can be a great variance between the two. So what lenders do with the bank statement deposit program is they go by the actual deposits in the business bank statement and they formulate a yearly income based on that. So that again can be an advantage for any self-employed buyers that may have issues qualifying based on a net average of their tax returns. And there's more information on the website about the bank statement deposit program. Property types, again, that's all the same. The transaction types, that includes also cash out refinances. Those are available up to 90% loan to value. And again, the available terms, much the same as the 95%. And again, combo loan options are available. 80-10-10 loans are available as a way to avoid monthly mortgage insurance or PMI. That sums up the basics to the program. Any home buyers that want to learn more, please reach out to us 7 days a week by calling 800-962-0677. Of course, visit the website at jumbomortgagesource.com. Thank you.